Want to turn any website or topic into your own RSS feed? RSS app makes it happen in seconds. No code required. Just grab the URL of any news site, social media profile, blog, pretty much anywhere online, and drop it into the RSS feed generator. Boom. Instant feed. No URL? No problem. Just type in a keyword or browse the Topics tab, and RSS app will scoop up related news from across the web for you. Got a site with a weird or custom layout? That's where the RSS builder comes in. In auto mode, you just pick the article container, and RSS app will magically detect all the details for you. In manual mode, you're in full control. Point to the link, title, description, image, date, and author exactly where they live. Hit generate to see your shiny new feed, then save to My Feeds. After that, you can share the XML link, send updates straight to Discord, Telegram, Slack, or email, embed it as a widget, bundle it with other feeds, or even translate it. Start building your own feeds today with RSS app.
Your content, your way.